Next up to the stage, I want to welcome Ayla Malden. She studied piano with voice with Miss Heather at Conservatory of the Ozarks from 2018 till 2020. Then COVID happened. She took a bit of a break, but this past summer she started training again and she joined the vocal techniques group. She doesn't have a goal of becoming a professional musician, but she says she enjoys making music because it's very calming. Her goals for lessons just include improving her music skills. Her Christmas solo tonight is Joy to the World. She will accompany herself, but we have a special treat. She has some backup singers, Pam Moore, Tommy Gonzalez, Ryder the Rado, Sarah Curtis, Jaden Puryear, and Sarah Smith. Enjoy.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive a King. Let every heart prepare His room. And nature sing, nature sing, nature sing, and nature learn, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while hills and floods, brooks, hills and plains, keep the sounding joy, keep the sounding repeat, repeat the sounding joy. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of His righteousness, wonders of His love, wonders of His love, wonders of His wonders, wonders of His love. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive a King. Let every heart prepare His room. Heaven and nature sing, nature sing, heaven and nature learn, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains, keep the sounding joy, keep the sounding repeat, repeat the sounding joy. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of His righteousness, wonders of His love, wonders of His love, wonders of His wonders, wonders of His love.
Ayla Malden, thank you. And her wonderful Conservatory of the Ozarks Christmas choir. Joy to the World is one of my